English speaking practice. Hello, good morning. How do you do, sir? What is your name? You are Mr. Ram, aren't you? Yes, I am. I am Sumit from Delhi. May I come in? Please take your seat. I have come to see the director. Please wait for some time. I came by bus. You live in Prempuri, don't you? It's a great pleasure to meet you. How was your journey? Here is my visiting card. Sorry to disturb you. May I have your attention, please? I beg your pardon. Would you like to have a cup of tea? I am sorry for being late. We'll meet tomorrow again. How can I help you? Please get aside. Please meet him. He is Ram. I'll leave for now. The first meeting. Hello Mitu, how are you? Really nice to meet you. How do you do? Where are you going to? I am going to Sonali's place. I need a notebook from her. That's great, I remember. My English textbook is with her. Come, we'll go together? Yes, that will be better. Welcome, uncle. Please come in. Is your father at home? Yes, in fact, father was talking about you a little ago. I am flattered. Where is he? Please sit in the drawing room. I will just send him. You are nice girl. May God bless you.